Good morning, this is Jeremy from Converse English. Today I'm coming to you with the Ulanzi J12 wireless microphone. I've got it fitted here, as you can see. I'm going to, in a moment, show you the unboxing of this, which I did earlier. And generally, I've bought it to use on our English YouTube channel in order to improve the quality of the sound, but I thought you might be interested in the technicalities of it. So later on in the second video, I'm going to be doing a few experiments and show you the difference outside and inside with this microphone. Okay, as you can see here, I've got the specifications on the screen, so please have a look. And I'll let you know how it goes in a future video. So now let's have a look at the unboxing.
Okay, so as you can see, we have the Ulanzi J12 wireless microphone. And for a comparison of scale, I've put an Apple TV remote next to it. So you can see the box itself is not too big. Let's open the box then. It's a reasonably easy box to open, so we put that to one side, and inside, as you can see, we have a black carry case. It's got a sticker on it at the moment, but we can take that off later. If I move that out of the way for the moment to show you what's inside the box, we have instructions in a couple of different languages. Then, as I purchased this in Poland, we have a Polish translation of the instructions. A sticker of certification that it's a genuine product. And I will just open it's a bit difficult. Open this little box. Inside here, we have a USB power adapter. So this is going to be from a USB-A to a USB-C. It's quite short. And so probably for most of you, you will use your phone chargers. And that's definitely what I'll be using. So I won't even take that out at the moment. I'll just put that back in there and move that out of the way. When we get back to the actual device, inside the box, then we have two wireless microphones and one lightning receiver. So as you can see, it has a lightning plug, which fits directly into the iPhone. Put that down and take out one of these microphones. At the moment, it's got cellophane covering the charge terminals, which I will obviously take off before using and before charging. We've got 3 charge terminals. This microphone will charge directly from the carry case. At the bottom of the carry case, you've got a USB-C charge point and a little LED, which shows you whether it's charging or not. Once the carry case is fully charged, then it'll hold it for about 4 charges for the microphone. And then it'll last approximately 3 hours, depending on use. Obviously, the second one here, exactly the same. We also have here a cable port. It's a USB-C port, so we can actually charge separately if we want to. But I think for most of us, we'll be using the integral battery as a wireless operator. In fact, it says here wireless on the side, a clip. Is here also to obviously clip it onto your clothes. On one side here, we have a little button, and that is the on-off button, but it also changes the noise reduction level, which I will talk about later when I show you it in operation. And that's basically it. That's basically the Ulanzi J12. Okay.
Okay then, so I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and as I said, stay tuned for further videos, and if you've got any suggestions on any tech that you want me to look at, we can have, videos connected with English and tech, so please let me know in the comments below. Okay then, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.